Okay, so yeah, two forest groups I put together with my son. This is a field maple group in this shallow pot, and these are oak trees. What I'm going to do today is I'm going to get them out the pot, clean up the top as it's a bit of a mess, and then give them a trim. Okay, so now I'm going to take the trees out the pot. I'm just going to grab it by the biggest trees. They've been in this pot for about 2 years, so everything would have meshed. There we go, there you have it. What's it look like on the back side? Yeah, I've got some circling roots. You could do with a little bit of a trim there, and then I'll put it back in. Okay, so there we go. I've removed all of the circling roots. Now we're just left with a decent root ball there. Taken off a considerable amount. And I'll pot it back up in molar clay and then give it a prune. Okay, there we have it. I've got my molar clay mounded up. I'm going to put the tree planted inside. See how it looks. It looks alright. A little bit high, but yeah, let's go down a bit. I purposely want to mound it up in the top so that it's sort of a moundy kind of a shape. That's what I'm going for. So I'm going to press the edges down and try and like mound it up. There we go. So I've mounded it up on the one side. I want that tree to lean over on the right. Now I'm just going to go over and add some molar clay top dressing to it, and then push it in under the sides as well, and then give it a water. Okay, so here we got the oak group. The tallest one's every bit nearly a meter tall. I've just gone around scraping off all the moss and weeds and everything like that, and all this wire. I think I'm going to take the wire off. They've been in this pot for nearly 3 years, so everything would have set. So I'm going to take it off. This looks like it's actually biting into the tree there. Okay, so here we have the two forest groups repotted. This is the field maple group. As I said, I like these trees because it's unconventional forest. Most forests, they want the trees to be standing up tall and straight. But with this one, all of the trees have a bit of a twist to it. And I think it looks really well and fits in with the planting. And from both sides, it looks really nice, I think. I did get these trees for free. I collected them from a industrial estate before they got weed whacked. So I saved them and made a nice planting. Okay, here we got the oak group on the turntable. Give it a spin around. I've purposely mounded them all up. I think it'd give it a bit more character and more room for the roots to grow so the trunks can thicken up. Yeah, I know the molar clay has fallen away from down there, but hopefully it'll expose some of the roots, which should look quite nice. And incidentally, this tree here was a tree that I've been given. It's an evergreen oak. So the leaves were there. I just pulled them off so I could see what I was doing when I was pruning them. Oh yeah, there's the two trees. I apologize for the poor light conditions. I live in a flat, so I try to make the best with what I've got. Cheers, thanks for watching. Bye.